Hello Dr. Algandor and hello class. We hope you are doing well tonight. We are Group 4 and this is our presentation about our project data source and brief data information. As an introduction, in this group project, we are going to utilize the prediction technique of data analytic to the field of real estate industry in North Carolina. In the past few years, the house prices in this state has been steadily increasing together with the economic growth. As housing is always a basic physiological need of society, it is necessary to understand how the prices are changing to adapt with the new financial requirements. By surveying the 6 cities which are Asheville, Greensboro, Monroe, Reeford, Red Springs and Wendell, we will develop a data set of average estimated house prices for these cities from January 2011 to December 2019. Based on the data set, we will apply the data analytic techniques that we have learned from the course to predict the average house price changes in this year 2020. This is the main focus and the purpose of our project. For the data source, the raw data will be acquired from Zillow.com graph tool, a popular estimator in the real estate industry. As an example, in this figure, we are moving the focus point across the graph tool to retrieve the history monthly average prices in Greensboro from January 2011 to February 2011, and to March 2011. For a brief data set information, after acquiring all the monthly average prices from the 6 cities in North Carolina, we will develop a data set following this table. The total data records that we need to acquire for our project is about 576 records. And each team member will acquire the records for one city. Based on the data set, we will apply the data analytic techniques that we have learned from the course to predict the average house price changes in this year 2020. The 3 identical forecasting techniques we will use are moving average, exponential smoothing, and regression model. Then we will compare the mean absolute error, the mean square absolute error, and the mean absolute percentage error to select the most accurate technique for the prediction. From the selected technique, we will be able to project how average house price changes will be in this year 2020 with the best accurate rate. Thank you Dr. Algandor and thank you class for your time with our presentation.